Hi ADHD friends, ready to become gutsy cooks? Let's start now. Today we're going to make latkes without eggs, otherwise known as Grandma Esther's potato pancakes. These are a favorite in our family, and I hope you like them as much as we do. First, you're going to gather your equipment and ingredients. Here's a list of the equipment and ingredients, and I will show it again after I go through the list. So if you need to pause later on so that you can gather those, feel free. A heavy bottom skillet or an iron skillet, a potato peeler, cutting board, box grater, paper towel covered plate, a salt shaker, medium mixing bowl, and tongs. For ingredients, you'll need 3 medium potatoes, 1/2 of a sweet yellow onion, 1 cup of self-rising flour. The self-rising part is important. And you'll need oil for frying, which is light olive oil, not extra virgin, grapeseed oil, or peanut oil. Canola oil also works for this. If you need to pause here to look at the ingredients, feel free to do that. Get ready to prepare the ingredients. Place the skillet on the stove and turn the stove to medium heat, setting 4 to 6. Then add 1/4 inch of oil to the skillet, covering the bottom of the pan, plus a little bit. Then you're going to peel and shred the potatoes, and you're going to grate the onion. Please go slowly with the box grater. Every holiday season, I lose some more skin on some more knuckles. Really, if you don't use all of the potato or onion, I think that's okay. I'd rather have you stay safe with the grater, so just go slowly. Next, you're going to combine your ingredients. All right, getting gutsy. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the flour and potatoes and onions, and you're going to mix it together with your clean hands or a clean hand until it looks something like this. This is where things start to heat up. After about 8 minutes, the oil should be ready. Drop 1 shred of potato in the skillet, and if it sizzles and bubbles, the oil is ready. Then you're going to take a 1/4 cup of the mixture and mold it in your hands like a hamburger patty. Carefully place that little potato pancake patty in the oil and repeat. You're going to want to fry 4 at a time. Once you have those 4 in there, set a timer at the beginning of each batch for 4 minutes. Watch your timer. You're going to cook on the first side for 2 minutes, flip them with your tongs, and cook them on the second side for the remaining 2 minutes. If your oil is hotter and it seems like you smell a little burny smell or they're getting too dark, back the time down 30 seconds on each side and see if that works better, or vice versa. When finished cooking, use the tongs to remove the latkes and place them on the prepared plate. You're going to finish and serve. Once you have the potato pancakes on the plate, you're going to sprinkle them with salt and put them on a nice dish if you're going to serve them like that. Then you're going to get extra fancy. You can serve them with applesauce or sour cream. Those are the traditional toppings. If someone needs ketchup, though, because we ADHD friends tend to be picky eaters, ketchup is allowed. Just don't tell my grandmother. Finally, I want you to be careful. Hot oil demands attention. Look, it just looks like water in the pan. If the oil is hot enough to brown the potato, it's hot enough to burn your finger. Also, something else I find helpful is to bring friends in the kitchen. When you're doing something like this where maybe you need a little help saying, hey, let's focus on what we're doing here. Careful. That can make this experience safer and more fun. If you like this recipe, please subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention. Now go get gutsy.